Mini precision screwdriver set with magnetic head, mobile phone, tablet, PC, and household repair toolkit. Wow. Ultimate precision. The Tuxa precision screwdriver set with magnetic head and S2 steel bits is specially designed for electronic equipment products, offering a wide range of applications for mobile phones, tablets, laptops, PCs, gadgets, and household repairs. High-quality material made of durable S2 alloy steel, this mini screwdriver set is impact-resistant, wear-resistant, sturdy, and long-lasting. With strict quality control and high precision, all bits ensure reliable and precise repair work. Strong magnetic grooves securely hold both bits and screws, preventing accidental misplacement during delicate repair tasks, thereby enhancing efficiency and precision. Effortless handling. The precision screwdriver has a rotatable handle, crafted from lightweight aluminium for ergonomic comfort during extended tasks. Its robust magnetic top firmly secures bits, ensuring swift and efficient repairs. On the go. Brilliance. Designed for convenience, this precision screwdriver set is compact and easy to carry. The storage space is intelligently designed to prevent parts from falling out, ensuring hassle-free work on the go.